Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandria. I create lifestyle vlogs as well as NYC and travel content here on the tube. Thanks for tuning in. I am officially in Brooklyn and I'm actually quiet right now because it's still calm and in the morning. I made it to Brooklyn. Day late. It's all right. I am headed to view my apartment now. I mean, it's not 100% mine yet, but I'm claiming it, and it's like 97% mine so far. So I'm walking now to actually view the unit and the building in person. I'm a little early because I want to find somewhere to grab a bite to eat and some coffee really quickly before I go in. It's lovely. I am wearing my Christopher John Rogers dress. I call her Chi-Chi Get the Yayo. She gives me cha-cha, Chi-Chi Get the Yayo vibes. I'm loving it. I have to get a picture for Instagram somewhere. Gotta find somewhere that got the vibes that I can also prop my camera up. Or I might just do it in my friend's backyard and have them take a picture of me. But let me make sure this is recording. Yes, so I am headed to check out the unit now. Has a beautiful rooftop and stuff with a great view, so I really want to experience that. It's nice and warm today, so like part of what I'm really paying for is like I want to have a hell of a summer, you know, and I'm going to be around the city and out, but like when I'm home and I want to host, or if I want to just have a funky good time with my neighborhood friends, I want to be able to be like a spot that people can come through. My friends have a cool backyard. That's their ground level on their building. I would have, you know, the rooftop and other vibes going on. You know, we might hit a park, whatever it may be. So I'm headed to check it out now. I'll keep y'all updated. I probably won't share as much of the unit. Of course, want to maintain some privacy, but I want to share some good content with you all too. And please don't worry, I am definitely going to do an in-depth video about my process of moving here, even though y'all get to see it in real time and see me do crazy stuff like missing my flight and trying to figure it out and starting one job and leaving another and all this good stuff. But I am just going to do something a little bit more focused on the logistics of moving. And I moved my stuff across the country, well, different states, multiple times in the last like 7 years, I want to say. So just taking everything I learned and sharing it with you all and all that good stuff. Yes, I'm so excited. That's it for now. Almost to where I'm headed. So I'm going to start looking for coffee shops to pop into. Bye. Hello. Okay, so viewing went amazing. And look at this. Summer in Brooklyn. Look at this park. I'm not a kid, but I'd go over there, get a little water action, maybe take some photos for IG. But viewing was great. Amenities looked amazing. The unit was a tad bit smaller than I had kind of made up in my mind, but it's still the perfect size. Is there a bug on me? I'm so ready to move forward and get through this process. So that was super exciting. I'm about to hang out with my friends in the backyard. I got a little coffee from Say Coffee. My friend Ty works in coffee in Chicago, and the shop that he works at carries this coffee, and it's super close to my friend's house that I'm staying at right now. So, and it was close to the view. The place is close. The place that I was viewing is also close to their house. So I walked over there, finished the viewing, walked to the coffee place, stopped at the grocery store. Now walking back, just because I need something to eat with this coffee. So that's what I'm doing now, and going to the Brooklyn Museum in a little bit to see the KAWS exhibit, and I'll check back in with y'all then. Bye.
Okay. il m'a dit Tabados, il est kilo fait Right now, my lady, kilo fait on my tête, check it fine, no bucket Watch your love for like Right now, mama.
I'm outside the Brooklyn Museum. Just got to see the KAWS exhibit. It was so good. Got some pictures in. Got some content for IG. Just got some content for the vlog. Really beautiful exhibit. I saw the holiday sculptures that were like, part of them were in Palm Beach. At one point, I don't know if these were the exact ones, but I was trying to go back and see it. Oh my gosh, they have a lobster roll truck and ice cream. I think I'm gonna get a Mr. Softy because you know what? I'm in New York and it's hot. And what do you do when you're in New York and it's hot? You get a Mr. Softy when it's on the block, okay? Like Mr. Softy's on the block. So yeah, I'm gonna get a Mr. Softy and literally head back to Brooklyn. We're gonna do dinner tonight. Tomorrow's my first day of work at the new job. And that's it. Such a good exhibit. Had a great time. I was so late. My ticket was for 3:15 and I got here like 4-ish or whatever, and I still got in. They were like, it's fine. It's not super crowded today. It's really nice. Oh my god. So beautiful. With the chickens and the hummus and the rosé.